right?
Yes.
And the whole point of the jury is that we assign them job to weigh the facts. We draft them. We make them sit there. A lot of times they don't want to be there. We then present the evidence, and the judge then says, here's the evidence. Here's the law, instructs them of the law, and it's your duty. It's not mine. It's not yours. It's not anybody else in the community. But it's the jury's duty to weigh them. And all of a sudden, suddenly, afterwards, you say they can't do their job?
I have a greater duty beyond being an attorney, and that's to be a social engineer. And when the law doesn't get it right, I believe that we have the right to peacefully and morally, conscientiously object to the decision of the jury.
We, the jury, find George Zimmerman not guilty.
We need justice. That's what we need. We just need justice for Trayvon.
There are millions of people out there who don't agree with that decision, so it's not just the legal team.
You know what the problem is, though?
You know,
That's disturbing.
That's deeply from all over the world.
That's deeply disturbing that you say millions are out there who didn't see it. You know, and I know, that millions of people who may not like a verdict, whether it's for or against this case or another, didn't watch the case, didn't sit in the courtroom, didn't weigh the evidence, didn't listen to the jury instructions. That's just noise. That's why we have court systems, is so that both sides have an opportunity to be heard. This social engineering, I don't know if that's more like social manipulation than social, I don't know what social engineering is, but actually justice is presented in the courtroom with a jury deciding it and both sides having an opportunity. That's justice, and the jury deciding it.
I think that when I'm talking about being a social engineer, George Zimmerman never would have been arrested if it wasn't the outcry from black people, brown people, white people, Republicans, Democrats, Christians, and Muslims in this nation who demanded his arrest. He was then arrested, and he was tried by a jury of his peers. I do not believe that the jury got it right, and the federal government has every right to bring the claim. That's why we have federal preemption.